So yes, as the title says, I'm going to show you guys 3 easy YouTube niches that are making an insane amount of money right now, and also how to make them without any gatekeeping and BS. So let's just start. Our channel stars then and now making $16,000 in the last 30 days doing celebrity then and now videos. To make it, grab the child star finder prompt from the prompts document to get a list of iconic 90s child actors. Grab a picture of them as a kid and one from today. Then go to Kling AI, upload the adult picture, and paste the exact mask peeling prompt. Rub the clip into CapCut, put their name and movie year on screen, and put on a trending nostalgic song, and you're done. Next is Factory Insight, pulling in $95,000 a month, making satisfying AI factory videos. To make it, grab the topic generator prompt from the prompts document to get bizarre manufacturing ideas. Pick the one that you like and use the scripting prompt in the prompts document to get a 20-step timeline with a realistic video prompt for every single step. Paste those into Google Flow and hit generate. And after downloading them all, pull the clips into CapCut in order and hit export when you're done. Channel 3 is AI Trailer Cinema, doing $27,000 with realistic AI generated movies. To make it, grab the master film prompt from the prompts document and paste it into Claude. Then go to Google Flow, paste your image prompts, and click the three dots above the generated images to animate them with your video prompts. After the video is done loading, download them and put the clips into CapCut, and after compiling them together, export. So if you want more quick no BS videos like this, subscribe. Peace.